Great idea.
Oh girl, I'm a problem. I love too hard. That girl got a problem. She love too hard. Said she needs
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Naya. My name is Ifunaya, but most people call me Naya. I'm a faith and lifestyle YouTuber. You guys, this is my first official video since I got engaged. Like, I can't, like, what? Like, how did we get here? Crazy, I know. Anyways, yeah, I'm engaged. It's been 3 weeks now. It's been 3 weeks and it's honestly felt like a mix of, oh my gosh, this feels like a dream, to also like God told me this at the start of the year, so it's also not as shocking. So it's like, yeah, but I think just the fact that it's actually reality now, like I'm actually about to get married, I'm planning my wedding. It's crazy to think about, but anyways, thank God, we thank God. I'm starting this vlog because my pre-wedding shoot is tomorrow, so this is officially the intro for the pre-wedding shoot, and I'm gonna show you guys the behind the scenes. The only thing I'm worried about is my hair. So I have a sew-in. This was a sew-in I did for my engagement. Obviously I didn't know it was for my engagement at the time, but yeah, it turned out that the day I did it was the day of my engagement, my proposal. So, and I still have it on. And I'm like, should I take it off? This was my first sew-in in a while, so I didn't realize that my natural hair is not as, it's gonna take a lot for it to blend in, okay? Because after I straighten it and blow dry it and everything, it blends in for only like 30 minutes and it freezes up again. So it's been a real struggle. So I was like, okay, I paid so much to get this hair and sewing done, so I'm like, I'm not taking it out after like 2 weeks. It's too soon. So I was thinking if I should just leave 2 out in front, like kind of how I have it here, but I don't like this curl pattern, so I'm going to redo it. And then I'm just going to pack everything to the back and maybe like use a claw clip to I'm sure going to make it work and make it look cute for tomorrow. So that's that. Our pre-wedding shoot is going to be in Montreal, so I'm excited. I've also never been to Montreal before. This is my very first time, so it's nice. And I found like a really cute location to do the pre-wedding shoot. It's called the World Trade Center. We're doing 2 looks. Actually one look for sure, and then 2 looks maybe, because my fiance okay, sorry, I need to actually be serious. I need to actually act like a fiance. Okay, so my fiance is I can't take myself seriously, I'm sorry. Okay, so my fiance needs to get a top, like the top for his second look. He needs to get it at the mall maybe today, and then if we find something, then we'll do the second look. If not, because the one he was originally supposed to wear, he can't find it. So yeah, that's the situation right now. Yeah, it's Friday currently. I'm just trying to finish up work, and then I'm going to redo my hair again, and yeah, just pack, because I'm also going back to Toronto. I'm currently in Ottawa, and I'm going back to Toronto from Montreal on Sunday. So like Sunday, like 6 a.m. or 5 a.m, something crazy. But yeah, okay, let's go. Hi, Sean. 7:30. Or 7:30. Gosh, I'm so tired. Guys, the makeup artist for today, the best in the city. I can't wait. This is my first time doing my makeup professionally.
What?
Yeah,
Oh my god. Okay, now this makes me more interesting. So how do you feel that you're getting married to a pastor? Even though I personally don't subscribe to any of the stereotypes, because I'm a pastor and it's not like
that
I
crazy.
don't know what people think.
Yeah.
you understand me. Walking down the valley, pack a a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire.
You've been thinking that and copy that first.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I never even do blush, but it doesn't look crazy. Like it's perfect. Wow. Thank you, Waka.
I'm happy that you like it. What do you have to say to your fans?
My book.
BFW.
Oh, BFW Beauty.
Period.
Hi guys. So we are all done with my makeup. Show you guys my outfit. Guys, I have such a bad fever right now, and it's crazy because I don't know what I can't.
Wow, look at our
Oh
variety.
my god, I love my makeup. Like what?
You look so beautiful. Come on. Come on.
It's literally so perfect.
Oh, you look gorgeous. How are you?
Zara has been vlogging as well too.
Oh yeah. Hey, Milo.
So we have different angles.
That's
Different hair.
cool.
I just took two.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
Love it. Pastor Brandy, you finished work.
Wait.
Wow.
So we're currently on the way. This is my husband to be. Since November 29th. I was trying to remember what it was.
Anniversary.
Oh my god, yeah. Anyways, so we're on our way to Montreal. It's also, anytime it was our anniversary, it's also our anniversary today. Yeah.
It's nice occasion dance.
It's okay. Thanks. But yeah, it's okay that we're doing our pre-wedding shoot on our anniversary day. Did you plan it like that?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's really cute.
Of course. Strategizing.
Mm,
It's God honestly.
yeah.
So you can see that we made it today.
Yeah. See? But yeah, I'm excited. I love my makeup. My man loves my makeup too. What should I call you on my channel? I don't know. I'm so shy. I've never posted a man on this channel. Okay, my fiancé. My fiancé. Okay. Yeah, we're also on the road trip with these two. They're sleeping. Super. Okay. Yeah, we're here with Wolf and Dara. They're our assistants but they're currently asleep. I'm excited for the shoot. I've never gotten my makeup professionally done before, so this is my first time. Yeah. And it was such an amazing experience. Like,
You pay it, right?
I've paid on it.
Don't talk.
Oh my god, thank you. Get your man that just does everything. Yeah, Pastor Brandy killed it. Like, she ate so much. I love how I still look like myself. And the makeup is not too much. It's just perfect, literally. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys when we get to Montreal. We're an hour and 47 minutes away. We drove from Ottawa, by the way. 2.5 hours from Ottawa. But yeah, I got my nails done earlier this week. Just something simple, something cute. Yeah. Okay, bye guys.
We will give you everything. Come and take.
Hi guys, so we are in Montreal. I have Wolf and Dara have woken up. Of course, you guys when you were sleeping in 4K. There's been a lot of traffic in Montreal. Just know that before you come here.
2.0.
I wouldn't say it's as bad as Lagos. Kristen.
This is the second worst place I've seen traffic.
Yeah. You're exaggerating, no?
I thought no.
Really, Montreal.
Where else?
Actually, true. Actually, wait, let me see. I feel like LA has lots of traffic.
Am I in your country? Yeah.
Maybe LA. But yeah, the makeup is still eating. I've got the makeup done at like 10:30. Yeah, we're still going strong. So love to see it. I'm sorry, I don't distract you. But yeah, anyways, I'll talk to you guys when we get to location. I just took out the flexi roads. This one didn't really curl well. Actually, I should just curl it. Now that I have a few minutes. Because what is this? What's this at? Okay.
Please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
Hi guys, I really loved how our pre-wedding shoot turned out. Honestly, I wasn't sure how everything was going to come together completely, but it was amazing. I'm wearing boots in this video because I left my heels in the car. This was shot during winter, and so the thought of going back out in the cold to the parking lot, which was far from the building, to get my shoes, I was like, nah, it's all good. I'm just going to use my boots for the video, for the pictures. But it turned out well, and I'm so glad our photographer did such an amazing job. We both knew we wanted our pre-wedding shoot to be in Montreal, and I found this place on TikTok that had so many good photo spots, so it worked out perfectly. If you're looking for a place for a pre-wedding shoot, this place was really, really good. There were also lots of people here taking pictures, not too many, but we're able to get really good shots. Yeah, our outfits, just everything came together really nicely. My dress was from PLT, and the second dress I wore is from a Nigerian brand called Sia. I literally always had that dress, and I was like, oh, it's perfect because I wanted to do a black tie kind of vibe, so it went perfectly. And yeah, I'm so glad it came out well. The perfect location, the perfect photographer, and even our assistants Dara and Will that helped us were really amazing and really helpful. And yeah, the perfect partner. Guys, it's a wrap for our photo shoot. Oh, thank you, Christian.
It's also
It's a wrap.
We're looking forward to the pictures.
Yes,
So beautiful. Great idea.
Thank you, Dara. Shout out to you. Don't worry, we got you.
No, you just